Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you new feature with line and shapes. Let's go to the left side menu, Elements, and here let's choose Lines and Shapes. Click See All. Now we can choose the shape. We can resize it. We can go to the top menu and change our shape. Now we can go to the colors, we can change our color, or we can make the shape without the color. Now we don't see it, so let's go to the border style on the top menu, and here we can choose our border, and we can change the border color. For example, I'm choosing red. Next, we can go to border style, and here we can make our shape dotted. We can adjust border weight and corner rounding. And here you go. For example, let's choose other shape, change the color, go to border style, and adjust it. Interesting. So next, we can go to the left side menu and choose any line. So now we can adjust line, go to the top menu, change the color, we can adjust style, and we can adjust line weight. Next, we can go to line start and line end. And here you go. So I hope you like this new feature. Click like, subscribe, and if you want to learn more, check my new extensive Canva master course on udemy.com. See you next time.